Do you want to meet new people, but your voice disappears? You know English, but when it's time to talk, you freeze. Today, you'll learn easy English and real confidence. Meeting new people is not just social, it's a life skill. One conversation can bring a friend, a job, or a new future. But first, stop waiting for perfect English. Perfect English is not the goal. Connection is the goal. People don't remember grammar, they remember energy. Your biggest fear is simple. You think people will judge you. But the truth is, most people are thinking about themselves. They're not watching you. They're watching their own life. So stop carrying fear like a backpack. Drop it. Confidence isn't magic. Confidence is repetition. Use this formula. Smile, simple words, and one question. Step 1, smile. A smile is universal English. Step 2, use easy words. Short is strong. Step 3, ask one question. Questions create conversation. That's it. You don't need big vocabulary. Here are simple lines you can use today. Line 1, hi, how are you? Line 2, my name is. Line 3, nice to meet you. Line 4, where are you from? Line 5, what do you do? Line 6, do you like coffee, movies, or sports? These lines are small, but they open big doors. Now listen to a full beginner conversation. You say, hi. They say, hello. You say, my name is Allie. They say, I'm Sarah. You say, nice to meet you. They say, nice to meet you too. You ask, where are you from? They answer, I'm from Canada. You respond, that's cool. Now you may ask, where do I meet new people? Start with easy places, parks, libraries, gyms, and classes. If you're learning English, join English groups. Online is okay, but real life is stronger. Start small. One person, one hello. Most beginners make one big mistake. They try to sound smart, but smart English is simple English. Use 3 things: greeting, name, and question. This is how you become naturally confident. Now let's train confidence like a muscle. Every hello is a rep. Every rep makes you stronger. You will feel awkward. That's normal. Awkward is not failure. Awkward is growth. The goal isn't perfect. The goal is progress. And one day, you'll smile, and people will smile back. Use the 10-second rule. When you see someone you want to talk to, you have 10 seconds to say hi. If you wait too long, fear wins. But if you speak fast, confidence wins. This rule can change your life. Example 1, the bus stop. Say, nice weather today. Easy, no pressure. Example 2, the grocery store. Say, do you like this snack? Now you have a small conversation. Example 3, a class. Say, are you new here? Now imagine this. You walk into a room full of people. Your heart is racing. Your mind is screaming. But you remember, smile, simple words, one question. You walk in and say, hi, and people respond. Because people like friendly people. And you realize something powerful. You were never bad at English. You were only scared. Now here's the controversial truth. Most people don't fail because of English. They fail because of ego. They want perfect English to protect their pride. But when you drop your ego, your English becomes free. So the real secret is not learning English. The real secret is becoming fearless. Say hi today. Your new life is waiting.